Hi everyone, this is Teacher Cherry teaching you math online. For today's lesson, we need math textbook, whiteboard, copybook, pencil, and marker. Lesson 5, use models to subtract. Our objective, use models to subtract 3-digit numbers. But before we proceed, let's review our past lesson. Use any strategy to subtract. The first one, we can count back to subtract. Take a look at this example. 361 minus 142. 361, count back 100 is 261. 261, count back 4 tenths is 221. 221, count back 2 ones is 219. So, 361 take away 142 is equal to 219. Another strategy to subtract is to use easier numbers. 361 minus 142. We can break 142 into 141 plus 1. 141 is easier to subtract from 361 because the ones digit are the same. So 361 take away 141 is equal to 220. 220 take away 1 is 219. This will be the end of my part 1 video. See you on my next video. Welcome back. This is our part 2 video. Again, our lesson is all about use models to subtract. Let us try sample number 1. Solve and share. 427 people are at the beach. 182 people are swimming. How many people are not swimming? Use place value blocks to help. Do you want me to repeat it? Alright. 427 people are at the beach. 182 people are swimming. How many people are not swimming? Use place value blocks to help. What are you asked to find?
The number of people who are not swimming.
What tools do you have to help you solve the problem?
Place value blocks.
Will you add or subtract to solve the problem?
Subtract.
What is the subtraction problem you need to solve?
The subtraction problem is 427 minus 182.
Step number 1. Use models to find 427. Take away 182. At the left side, we have place value chart. At the right side, we have place value blocks. First, subtract the ones. Do you need to regroup the ones? No. How do you know? There are 7 ones. So there are enough ones to subtract 2 from 7. Step number 2. Regroup 100 as 10 tenths. Why does the regrouping box in the 10 tenths columns show 12 tenths? What is your answer? The answer is 100 from 427 was regrouped as 10 tenths and added to the 2 tenths. The third and the last step. Subtract the tens and the hundreds. 12 tenths take away 8 tenths is equal to 4. 3 hundredths take away 100 is equal to 200. Now, 427 take away 182 is equal to 245. Let us have sample number 2. Use models to find 328 take away 133. So we have at the left side we have the place value chart. At the right side we have the place value blocks. First, subtract the ones. So 8 take away 3 is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. Next, regroup 100 as 10 tenths because 100 is equivalent to 10 tenths. So now 12 tenths take away 3 tenths is equal to 9 tenths. 2 hundredths take away 100 is equal to 100. So 328 take away 133 is equal to 195. This will be the end of my part 2 video. See you on my next video. This will be our last video in this lesson. Now you know how to use models to subtract. For your independent practice, please answer in your book, page 663. I will give you 5 minutes to finish it. Good job! Let's see. Let's check if your answers are correct. To summarize our lesson, in using models to subtract, please remember, use place value blocks. In subtraction, first subtract the ones. Regroup tens or hundreds if needed. This is Teacher Chari. Thank you.